Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm showing you what came in this month's Allure beauty box. I have it right here and I'm really excited about one of the products that came in here that I found out about beforehand. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything in the box this month. But before we get started, I just wanted to say I'm just hanging around the house today, so I didn't do makeup, but I am wearing this lip gloss. It's one of the Becca lip glosses. Liquid Crystal Lip Topper Glow Gloss, and I'm trying to figure out if I like it or not. I mean, I like the way it looks, I like the way it feels. The only complaint I have is throughout the day of wearing it, I feel like the glitter in it gets loose and gets on the face. So I'm just wearing it for the day, testing it out, you know, getting a better feel for it and really deciding if it's something I like or not. Let me know if you guys have tried these and what you think about it, and if you have the same issue with little glitter flecks getting on your face. Okay, that was just a little side note. I wanted to throw that in there for this, and I'm going to start showing you everything that came in the Allure Beauty Box this month. So, as always, there's a cute little note inside the top of the box. It says, leaves town for the weekend, packs 10 lipsticks. Well, I would love to leave town for the weekend. I haven't been able to do that in a very long time. It would be great to take a little mini vacay. I would absolutely love that. Maybe this will be my inspiration to focus and save up to do that. And of course you get a little Allure beauty box, the little pamphlet with the promo codes, because some of the products come with promo codes, so if you purchase the full size you get a discount. And so it also tells you, you know, what they cost, what they retail for. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this. It's called In Transit Camera Close-Up Mask, Moisturizer, and Primer in One. This works. So this is an interesting concept to me. It says apply to clean skin and massage until absorbed. And it's supposed to work as a mask, a moisturizer, and primer. So I'm definitely going to try this the next time I put on foundation to see if it really holds up as a primer. And again, let me know if you guys have tried this and what you think, and if you think it does the trick for a primer as well. Now the next thing is this smoky eye pen. It's by Rodial. I've actually never heard of that brand, and it's in brown. And I did read in the pamphlet a little bit the let's see, I think you can go online and watch a tutorial on how to use this for a smoky eye look, so I'll probably check that out. I have a lot of, I feel like in these boxes you get a lot of, you know, eye pencils, and it's like, I've never experimented with an eye pencil as far as like smudging it and getting a smoky effect with it. I've always just put it on my lower lash line and called it a day, unless it's a liquid eyeliner. So I'd be interested to do some more research on this and check it out. It looks to be a full size, which is always nice. And the next thing is this. It's a One and Then Some Dry Texturizing Spray. It's by The One by Frederick Fakai. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. It says, shake it up, holding the bottle 6 to 10 inches away from the hair. Mist from roots to ends for ultimate volume. Flip hair upside down and spray. Okay, so I love testing hair products, so I will give this a try and see if it's something I would want to buy. It retails for $29, and they do have a 20% off valid till the end of the month. The next product is by Makeup Forever. It looks like it's a little liquid lipstick. And yes, it is. That's an awesome color. Definitely up my alley. A pretty nude. It's called 105, and this is one of their Artist Liquid Mattes. And I will swatch this one. That's a pretty color. Yes, I love that color. It almost reminds me of Birthday Suit by Tarte, one of their liquid lipsticks. I like that color a lot. And let's see, there is a promo code for free shipping, and it's a $20 retail value on that. This last product is what I've been most excited for, and a subscriber here, Barbara, actually told me that we were getting this, and it's full size in this box, so I was so excited. I cannot wait to try this full size CEO Rapid Flash Brightening Serum. So this is by Sunday Riley, and I can't wait to try it. It has vitamin C, which is one of my favorite ingredients in skincare. Vitamin C does help brighten your complexion, and it says this serum is Vitamin C is targeted to quickly fight the visible signs of dullness, dark spots, and discolorations at the source, while diminishing the first signs of aging, brightens and illuminates the skin instantly. So I can't wait to try this. So it looks like in this box, we actually got 2 full-size products, which is amazing. And then the little mask moisturizer primer in one, and then the texturizing spray that's supposed to add some volume, and then the little Makeup Forever liquid matte lipstick. So all in all, I think this is a great box, and this is $15 a month. I believe it's $10 a month for your first month, and they usually add in a free gift. So I'm super excited about all these products. I'm definitely going to try them out, and let me know if you guys want an update next month on any of these products, and I would absolutely do that for you. And I'm going to continue to test out this lip gloss that I'm wearing. And this Sunday Riley, this is, it costs $85, so that's just crazy to me. And I've heard so much about this brand. I've never tried Sunday Riley, and I know so many people talk about it and rave about it, so super exciting. So that's it for this month's Allure Beauty Box. Let me know what you guys think about all this stuff that I showed you, and if you've tried it or if you have any recommendations on how to use it, I would love to hear your input. And I will see you in the next video. Bye!